And now from the KSN Live First Alert Doppler Storm Center, weather with meteorologist Chase Bullman.
Welcome back, everybody. We're going to look at water vapor. Pretty much just outlines where the best moisture is. We get to this bright green color. That is complete saturation, aka 100% humidity, typically where the rainfall is falling down. Now, one thing we've noticed is this is extended further southward and starting to form these vertical lines or bands of rainfall. And then we look off to the west and we still have this one good clump of moisture, aka this will be the good second round of rainfall we have this afternoon. That could bring us a few strong thunderstorms, but this is definitely going to be our first round. It might not extend all the way southward into Oklahoma, but at least it'll get the top half of the viewing area a good rainfall. Now, at the moment, it all looks to be nice and connected, and you can see it's all filled in. This is a national composite, so when we go to what we can see from the radar site in Wichita, it's actually not just one giant band, it's actually several bands of rainfall. So we'll have that initial heavy rainfall move in, probably really windy. This is going to produce a fair amount of outflow boundaries. But then afterwards, once we get to like what we'll see over Eureka, that's going to be just some good moderate to light rainfall. Not a whole lot of thunderstorm activity with this either. Any kind of lightning signatures have really dropped off this morning, especially as getting into the part of the viewing area where it's been cooler. We don't have as much energy in the air, so we're probably going to see that thunderstorm activity drop off. But these last couple of bands extending further southward should at least bring us some good rainfall, maybe half an inch, if not even more, something we definitely need. But temperature-wise, it's warm this morning. Joplin has been holding on to 79. Parsons and Chanute both holding on to 75. Pittsburgh's actually going to warm up to about 76, but we're going to stick within this 5 to 10 degree range all the way up to about 85 for the majority of the day due to the cloud cover and the rainfall. Now, this model does not show our morning rainfall very well, but it does play out the afternoon storm chances a little bit better. Staying down south of Kansas mostly, and maybe having a few strong segments. This could produce a few good strong wind gusts, maybe hitting 60 to 65 miles per hour. I can't say hail's going to be developed. We just don't have enough of those ingredients to form that. But still, heavy rainfall, could be some flash flooding. But I think if we get that first good soaking round of rainfall, kind of what you could say is opens up the pores of the surface, everything can start soaking in. Now, just after 8 p.m., the rainfall dries up, but the clouds stick around. We'll have a mostly cloudy night and another cloudy morning for tomorrow morning. That's also where our next round of rainfall starts to kind of pop up. Doesn't look too impressive, but it has gotten better with each passing model run. So hopefully we get another good round of rainfall. This Wednesday afternoon setup, that looks to be extremely weak. I'd put more chances on our morning rainfall than anything else. Now after that, we lose the rain chances, but we're staying in the upper 80s. Now the KSN forecast from your local weather authority. Rain chances all day long. That'll keep us in the 80s today. Tonight we'll drop down to 70 as the rain cool air starts to really settle in. And tomorrow, 87 degrees. We get a wind that's moving out of the north occasionally, keeping dry air present. We could have some of that rainfall in the morning. We get to the weekend, looks very similar, except no rain chances, mostly sunny, and down in the upper 80s.